My name is Mr. Collins Chijioke. I'm the CEO MD of Jcolch Limited. Jcolch Limited is a company that deals with smart locks, security locks. You can use your fingerprint, your code. You can also use your app, your Bluetooth. So this is something like of a new age and futuristic kind of security that we are dealing with. Yeah. Patronizing me, you are dealing with the right person when it comes to smart locks and Wi-Fi door locks. It's digital. You know, the manual is just for like the smart door lock. The keys, it still comes with manual keys. Just probably you might not even use them for the rest of duration of time you use the smart lock. Basically, let's say most states that are into the hospitality business. I'll talk about Lagos, my number one place, Abuja, Owerri. I have some places in Benin Delta State, believe in Jcolch Limited. We've tried for some time now and we still want to go further. So getting more investors will help me reach the nook and crannies of every other places I want to get.